Alright guys, before this video starts, I just want to let y'all know that we are giving away these XXR 521s. We're not going to give them to you like this. They're all dirty at the moment. We're going to have them fixed up. But the only thing you got to do is subscribe to the channel and look up Aggressive Stance Movement on Facebook, or just click on the link in the description and send us a message on Facebook saying entered. That gets you entered for a chance to win these XXR 521s. The specs are 18 by 10, 5 by 1, 14.3. So if you're interested, just look up Aggressive Stance Movement and send entered. And one more thing before this video starts, guys. If you want to see us make a death cart out of this Mazda 3, just try to get this video to 500 likes and we will make a cart. What's going on, guys? Today we're going down to the auction to buy a Jetta for her. Actually, we're going to show you guys the Jetta. We're going to hopefully get this Jetta. It's a TDI, but anyway, I'm standing here next to the ZX and Benny's working on some stuff. Benny, what are you doing? You said you're just going to put pods and like sleepy eye it basically?
Yeah, I'm gonna sleepy eye it. I'll make a bash bar. There's a lot of stuff I want to do with it that's gonna happen. I just gotta buy some cutting wheels. That's pretty much it. And buy a bunch of pipe, maybe a pipe bender if it's not too expensive, and we'll bend the pipe ourselves. We're
gonna go to the auction and try to get this Jetta. It's a TDI 2001. It's silver. You guys will see it now. All right, so I lied. You're not actually seeing the Jetta right now, but we are here at the auction. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go check on this Jetta. We got Mr. Mechanic. He's gonna tell me if anything's wrong with it.
Certified snap-on mechanic.
Certified rich bitch.
Gang gang.
Oh, we're going in?
Well, we gotta go in and through the back.
What? Are we waiting on them? No?
We go through here?
Yeah.
So guys, just to get some stuff straight, the actual auction is not till tomorrow, but today is the viewing, so we're gonna go check out this Jetta. Alright guys, I ain't gonna keep you waiting no longer. The Jetta's sitting over here. But yeah guys, this is it. It's a turbo diesel.
Look at this fucking key.
Switchblade key. Unpop the hood. Start it up. Making a weird noise. These motor mounts. Definitely. Oh my god, dude. I mean, that's not such a bad thing though.
Well, just going in the rear, to be honest.
Yeah. This thing's a piece of shit. I wouldn't buy it.
Let me see it. Manual?
Yeah.
Dude, I would so buy the fuck out of this. What's wrong with it?
Nothing.
Read the Carfax. Alright, man. Let me see real quick. Let me get in there.
The clutch feel alright, even though it makes
I
a
run over
noise.
my shit.
Ran over a trusty old snap-on bag.
But one good thing about it, diesel and it's straight shift.
Yeah.
That's
why we want it.
Oh no, please not. I'll have to keep an eye. Put something on it that identifies it as hers, so I can just go ahead and run in the ditch.
Hey, it'll have
I
clutch.
just said so I can go ahead and run in the ditch.
It will have clutch cartel at the bottom of the windshield, so just watch out. I was here earlier, guys, so I done looked at everything. I guess I'll show you guys a little something that's going on out here. Hey, that GT right there, that thing's gonna sell cheap for what it is. A 6-speed. Is that that Nader?
My damn neighbor blew my trailer park out in the yard now, and I just got the big old truck to live in. I mean, it's alright. I got to stack out the back, horses in the back. The year has some horses in the back. Yee, by God, hell yeah, some bitches. I need my goddamn dick.
Hey, we get this TDI, I'm rolling coal on your bitch ass. Well, it's still running, so that's a plus. Everything works.
The gas thing work?
It's on the other side.
Something work?
Yeah. Everything everything seems to be in good condition. So we're gonna bid on this tomorrow.
Does the heat work? There's heated seats.
It's got 2 codes on it. It's a EGR, system excessive flow, intermittent code, and a
See, EGR is a big deal on a diesel.
low plug heater circuit malfunction, or intermittent though. It's 2 intermittent codes. They're not always there. It found function sometimes. So I'd buy it.
The next day.
Day 2. We're gonna go back down to the auction. Today is the actual day, so we're gonna hopefully get this Jetta. I do want to say that this is my first time at an actual auction. You ready, bro?
Yeah, it'll be like my 50 millionth and a half time at a fucking auction.
All right. Well, you're gonna have to hold out the badge. You said it's like a number or like?
Yeah, it's like I can't remember. It's been years since I've been to one, but. We're gonna hope this car doesn't go for a lot, so because they have taxes on them. Scan tool again.
Oh yeah, he ran that scan tool over yesterday with that Jetta. You guys probably saw that. I don't know. I might use it.
Talking about $3,000 tools over here. I ran over that son of a bitch and it didn't break. It like scuffed the screw protector. That's it.
We made it.
Yeah, we're here.
That the one you want?
I still want it.
Well, guys, I had to register. We're actually sitting here waiting for the auction to begin. And we're going to still attempt to get this Jetta. That's what we're trying to get. So, something with a little red light on the title or something like that.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm still going to send it.
I mean, you can get paperwork and still get the title.
As long as I can get a title. I mean,
Don't you think this weather just brought everything down $100?
Chill.
Sorry, it's my anxiety.
So that red light is not a big deal.
Never mind. This morning here at CARTEL auction. First and third Saturday of every month, guys, right here if you're interested in the vehicle, family with us. All right, we've got a few other announcements we want to make you get right on into the sale. Hey, do keep in mind, I think 119 to 120 during the run, which will be, we do 1 through a 97 here today, and 98 and up, we'll run in lane 2.
Alright guys, so we got the Jetta for enough.
Let's just say we got a really good deal on it. I don't think the guy's here right now. Yeah, we gotta wait till it's done.
We gotta get the keys, so I guess we gotta wait till the auction's over though. Sorry I didn't record it, I kinda got caught up in the speed. He's like really fast, like damn.
So, we're staying by the thing.
It's pretty cold in here. We're either gonna go sit in the bleachers and wait for this to be over with, or stand next to a heater.
Stand next to a heater.
Next to a heater.
It's fun, yeah.
So somebody just went in to pick up their keys. I'm gonna see if I can. So she's pulling it around the building. What's your first thoughts?
I like it.
You like it?
Brakes. Oh. When he brakes. And a seat that locks. That locks.
Yeah, the seat don't lock.
Bullshit.
Good for me, bad for Whitney.
Bullshit.
Oh my God, that goes way back. Let us know down in the comment section if you think we did all right. We got this Jetta for $700. Taxes was $100. That's $800. So technically, we got it for $800. Just let me know down in the comment section. Do you think it's worth it? Turbo diesel.
I think it is worth it, dude. The diesel.
Yeah. It's got
$700?
it's got high mileage though, but it's a fucking diesel. So and it rides good. From what I can tell, when we pulled it around the building, it rides pretty good. Got a drive out tag I need to put on it, and then should be good to go for 30 days. So guys, this thing rides really fucking good. I'll give it to it. It shifts pretty good in all the gears. I'm hoping. I haven't went through all the gears yet. This is the thing about auction. Like, you never know what you're gonna get, but sometimes you actually get a good deal. So guys, it made it here. That's a plus. Actually, it seems like a pretty good daily for $700. I ain't gonna lie. The camera's on 1%. We're here at Shoney's. We're gonna go in and eat, and then we're going to Benny's house. After that, I will get the battery and put it in the camera. Or do you have the battery?
Right here.
Okay, bet. So, I guess I'll show you our food. Why not? You gonna scoot over so I can sit down?
No. Where's the drink?
If you're wondering why I'm driving her Jetta, the seat, yeah, I done told you guys the seat won't lock, so she can't reach the clutch. So guys, if you're sitting at home on a morning, alone, you know, still in the bed watching this video, I'm sorry to starve you to death, but that's pretty good looking food. So we're gonna rotate the tires on the Jetta later, and some other, we're gonna clear the codes, fix the seat. So I'm about to eat. I'm starving, and we'll see you back at Benny's house. So guys, little thing I never noticed. I didn't even look under it to see if it leaks. It leaks from the rear main. That's what it looks like anyway. It's coming out from the rear main and then running down to there and dripping. It's already dripped a little puddle into Benny's driveway. Honestly, I don't think it's going to matter because we're going to probably be putting a throwout bearing and a new clutch in it eventually, so we'll just fix it then. I'll just try to keep oil in it for now. So day one in the life of owning a Jetta. We got the seat out, bunch of tools in. I think you already know it. Wearing my sunglasses in the rain because Volkswagen life. Why else? Nah, we got the seat down here in the garage. So I think we figured out why it wouldn't lock. Benny's got it all took apart right now. It got cold out here, so I rolled my sleeves down.
So I took it apart, and the little locking mechanism, which is dry, really dry with grease, it still works. See, it moves. It's still spring loaded. It's still good. It's just a little channel that had no more grease and it got stuck. So it should be good after that. After this greasing up.
Lube. All right, guys. You can't keep your mechanism dry and expect it to work.
Right. All right. So it should work now. Let me put this lock in here first. Where it was. Let me hold it real quick. So.
I'm using the V-Dub seat as an umbrella. Oh yeah, guys, welcome to winter. Tennessee. Tennessee weather. It was like 80 yesterday, now it's like 40.
I am erasing the codes off of this, see if they come back. But right now I'm checking all the codes.